Okay, so the breaker for shop has been pulled out at the pole. Before, I'm sure there's electricians out there that would see this. Before any of you throw a fit about how I'm doing this, no, I'm not a licensed electrician, but yes, I have done stuff like this many a time before. There is no power there. I know how I'm wiring this. May not be exactly code, but I'm not overly worried about it. In case you're wondering, this box is protected by a 100 amp breaker out at the meter. UC joint will not exceed the 100 amps. So that won't be an issue. Going to use a pre-existing knockout that only has one wire through it at the moment. Rather than punching another hole in this box. I know some people be like, well, why'd you kill the power already? Simple. I don't feel like sticking my hands in a box that's got power in it. This little thing I like to call covering my butt. Yeah, I can keep my hands away from the what would be the hot leads. But if I don't have to take a chance, then why should I? I don't need the power on to do this. So I can do this with the power off and be nice and safe and happy. I do not feel like doing the 6/3 shuffle today, folks. For one thing, that hurts. Anyone out there that's ever gotten bit by something electrical will understand what I'm saying. The 6/3 shuffle hurts. I'm slicing this down alongside the ground wire to avoid the insulation on the live leads. Okay. There's ground lead. Okay, first thing I'm gonna wire is this ground lead. Now, it don't matter which one of these goes where. It's 220 and it really don't care. Either way works. I would much rather have that behind those though. So start with this one. Guess I could just pop those breakers out while I'm working. Get them out of my way. That might... I thought that would be the easy way. There we go. Hey, that was in there. That's good. It's a pain in the butt. Alright. Now we got room. I can finagle this however suits me to reach where I need to reach. That's a bit extra here. Not one more. Okay. I'll put my screwdriver. Oh. Boy. Ground rail. Ground is installed. Hot leg 1. There went my screwdriver. Yes, this is only 12 gauge wire. So that's all it needs to be. It's not carrying the heavy lamps that the incoming line is. Alright. There's that installed. Hot leg 2. This is the return leg, which does not get connected on 220. Thankfully, because I only have 12-2 wire. I don't have 12-3 wire. If I had to connect the return leg, I'd be very unhappy. Alright. And there we go. Now, so kind of surprising. Like this return leg is not connected to the ground in here. Usually, it would be. Install these back in their original spots. My guess is, because this goes through a panel out at the meter, is where the ground and neutral are connected together. Alright, this power is off. Phase A is tight. Phase B is tight. Ground is tight. Nothing looks shorted anywhere. I'm going to leave you on while I go out and send power back to this again. And we shall see if we get any sparks. We should not, but you all will see them before I do. I'm going to go turn the power back on. Okay, power is restored to the box. So far, so good. No smoke. Let me take you off the stand here. All right, going handheld. So, we're wired up. Going to double check the wiring outside. We look good. Nothing's chewed on it. It's all clear. All right, let's turn on the power and see if the compressor works. All right, step one. So far so good. Step 2. Looky there. She works. We'll see if it starts building pressure. Building pressure. Stop the video here, and I'll take a picture of it when it's up to pressure.